Hey guys, how you guys doing today? As you can see, I'm a little scruffy. Been a bad 2 weeks, guys. So I got this job about 2 weeks ago. About a week before that, me and my wife have just gotten really bad, you guys. We're at the verge of a separation, of a divorce, and I'm about to take a very big financial hit. I've been saving money to open up a shop. As you guys can see in my shorts and in my videos, I do mobile, and I do it out of my little trailer right there in Desert Hot Springs. But I can't do it anymore, you guys. It's getting very toxic at home. It's bad for our children. It's bad for us. I don't see any kind of future going forward with her. And all we do is just, it's getting very personal. The things that we're telling each other are getting very personal. I don't think it's worth it anymore. I'm not going to get myself in trouble. I've done this before. I've been very angry and made mistakes. I'm a felon because of it. I'm not proud of it. I regret it. I regret some of the mistakes I made when I was younger. I'm 42 years old now, and I'm not going to make the same mistakes. I am going to end up leaving the house. I am working at a shop about 45 minutes away from where I live in Desert Hot Springs. The shop is in San Jacinto, Emmett area. It's a small independent. It's an older gentleman that owns it. He's in his 70s. He's struggling. He's had bad mechanics, people who just don't care, have no interest in his business, who feel that they should be making a ton of money. I think we all should be making good money for the work that we do, but again, he's struggling. He doesn't have the same resources. He doesn't have the same body or physical abilities. So he reached out to me through some connections that we know each other from, and he asked me if I can help him, one, get his shop up on its feet, and maybe help him run it once it's, a lot more profitable than it has been for him. He has a bunch of work piled up, guys. So let me show you what this shop is about. One of the first things I'm going to do, also, by the way, guys, today is Labor Day. The shop is only halfway open just for me to be here. It's only me and another mechanic and the owner, but he is really backed up with work. As you can see, he is just backed up with work. Check it out, just everywhere, backed up with work. So I am gonna help him get this shop up and running. I've already knocked out a lot of work in the 2 weeks that I've been here. I've knocked out a lot of work. I'm here on Labor Day. He asked me to come in, even though it should have been a day off. He asked me to come in. Start to get this situated. As you can see, the mechanic who kind of built this is just kind of tossed it around a little bit. So I got to put all this back together. Right now, I am working on this day off on a Toyota Tundra, doing some ball joints, getting some ball joints done, and I'm also going to do the struts. So right now I got all this torn apart. Here's the ball joints that are being replaced right now. Here's my tool. Don't mind that one. That one got wet. I just haven't had a chance to really clean it up. So I'm getting these ball joints done on this Tundra. Here we are. And I'm also gonna get the struts done. The struts are right here. These are the rear strut, the front struts and the rear shocks that are going to get replaced. So again, this is a Tundra. I'm going to get it done today. Yeah, guys, life's changing for me. I'm gonna take a big old financial hit here in a minute because she's gonna take me. She hates me, and she just has been really telling me how much she wants to get rid of me. So. All right, guys. Well, I'll be putting up some content. I still got content, repair content from when I was there at the house when I was doing the work there. I got a few 6.0s and a few other jobs, an Escalade that I did some work on, FJ Cruiser, a Lexus, a few diesels that I did work on. So I'll go ahead and upload those as soon as I can, guys, and get going on it. Also, we'll start bringing in some diesel work in here. I won't be able to make the same videos as this is not my shop. I'm going to talk to the owner and see if he's okay with that. But, all right, guys. See you on the next one. You guys be safe. Really appreciate it if you guys, support the channel, get me going. Right now, I'm really going to need the financial help to really get this channel going. And also get me out of this hole of what's going to be a very nasty divorce where she's going to take a lot of my money. So it is what it is, guys. This is what we signed up for as men. All we need to do is button up our straps on our, boots and get to work. All right, guys, be safe.